In a world where off-road performance meets timeless legacy, Yamaha has brought back a legend, the XT500. First introduced in the mid-1970s, the XT500 became an icon of rugged reliability, minimalist design, and pure riding pleasure. Now, for 2026, Yamaha resurrects the XT500 with a modern twist, blending the soul of the original with 21st century engineering. In this video, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about the 2026 Yamaha XT500, from its design philosophy to its technology, performance, and what makes it a standout in today's adventure market. The Heritage Reborn. The original XT500 earned its stripes in the deserts of Dakar and the trails of the Pacific Northwest. It was simple, durable, and practically begged to be taken off the beaten path. Yamaha's goal for the 2026 version wasn't just to reissue an old bike with new paint, it was to reinterpret the XT ethos for a new generation of riders. The result is a motorcycle that honors its roots while offering capabilities, safety, and performance that today's riders demand. This is more than a throwback, it's a rebirth. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2026 XT500 is a newly developed 499 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine. Unlike the air-cooled thumper of the past, this engine is liquid-cooled, fuel-injected, and Euro 6 compliant. It produces a modest yet lively 42 horsepower and 38 lb-ft of torque, tuned specifically for low-end grunt and linear power delivery. Whether you're crawling over rocky terrain or cruising on fire roads, the power plant is all about control, confidence, and accessibility. The engine is mated to a 6-speed transmission, giving it more versatility on longer highway stretches without sacrificing off-road usability. Lightweight frame and suspension. Staying true to its roots, the XT500 keeps weight as low as possible. At just over 340 pounds wet, the 2026 model is one of the lightest in its class. Yamaha achieves this with a hybrid steel-aluminum frame that maintains the rugged strength of a dual sport while shaving critical pounds. The suspension features a fully adjustable KYB setup with 10 inches of front travel and 9.5 inches at the rear. This gives riders plenty of flexibility, whether it's tuning for tight technical sections or absorbing jumps and drops in more aggressive riding conditions. Design and ergonomics. The 2026 XT500 pays homage to the past in its styling. It features a round LED headlight, slimline fuel tank, minimalist side panels, and a flat seat reminiscent of the original model. Yamaha didn't try to modernize the aesthetic too much, instead, they leaned into the XT's vintage charm. That said, everything has been subtly modernized. The digital dash is integrated into a retro-looking console, the tank is now 3.5 gallons for longer range, and the ergonomics have been refined for comfort during long rides or standing up during off-road sessions. With a seat height of around 33 inches, it strikes a great balance for a variety of rider heights. Off-road tech that stays out of the way. Yamaha took a minimalist approach to electronics on the 2026 XT500, staying true to the bike's analog roots. But that doesn't mean it's tech-free. You'll find selectable ABS with an off-road mode, traction control that can be disabled on the fly, and a switchable ride mode that adjusts throttle response between standard and trail. There's no TFT screen or smartphone integration, and that's intentional. Yamaha wants riders to connect with the trail, not the touchscreen. Daily usability and versatility. Despite being designed for the dirt, the XT500 is perfectly street legal and surprisingly practical as a daily commuter or weekend explorer. With LED lighting all around, excellent fuel economy estimated at over 70 miles per gallon, and a comfortable upright riding position, it handles urban traffic just as well as country trails. The 6-speed gearbox and balanced gearing mean you can hit 70 miles per hour on the highway without the bike screaming for mercy. It's one of those rare motorcycles that you can ride to the mountains, explore all day, and then ride home, all on the same tank. Pricing and availability. Yamaha has positioned the XT500 as an affordable entry into the adventure/dual sport world. Starting at $7,999, the 2026 XT500 undercuts many of its rivals while offering real off-road capability and the heritage appeal that few brands can match. It will be available in 3 color options: classic white, desert tan, and midnight black, with optional accessories like panniers, skid plates, and rally-style navigation mounts available through Yamaha's official accessory line. It's expected to hit dealerships in late spring 2026. Final thoughts. The 2026 Yamaha XT500 isn't just another retro bike, it's a carefully engineered tribute to one of the most beloved motorcycles in history. Yamaha didn't simply rest on nostalgia, they built a motorcycle that feels authentic, functional, and fun. It's approachable for beginners, rewarding for seasoned riders, and, most importantly, it invites you to get dirty. In a market flooded with tech-heavy, oversized adventure bikes, the XT500 reminds us of what riding is really about: simplicity, connection, and exploration. Whether you're a longtime XT fan or just looking for a capable, no-non